Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Outlook login issues. Nothing's more annoying than opening Outlook and getting stuck at the login screen, like it suddenly forgot who you are. When that happens, I usually start with something simple but surprisingly effective, restarting the Microsoft account sign-in service. I just search for services, run it as admin, scroll down to Microsoft account sign-in, and restart it. It feels very IT support core, but it works more often than you'd expect. If that doesn't fix it, I move over to the control panel, head into programs, find Microsoft 365, and run a quick repair. It's basically giving Outlook a small reset without losing anything important. And if things are still acting stubborn, I go into device settings, find Microsoft 365 again, and use the advanced options to repair or fully reset it. Quick tip from experience, always try logging back in after each step. You might fix it earlier than expected and save yourself extra effort. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.